But marriage is not romance. Marriage is life. We began our life together with 2 spoons and 2 pairs of chopsticks. That was all we had. I learned very quickly that when there is no money, life becomes heavy. Your father was handsome and kind, but he did not know how to make money. So I worked. I worked in factories. I worked until my body hurt. Still, raising 3 children in that tiny house was never easy. We lived in a single small room with a little kitchen attached. The house was so old that in the middle of winter, even the wet cloth inside the room would freeze solid. That is how cold it was.